Well, let's first have a little bit of fun on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is, as you know, a serious part of social media where people are connecting to each other with their jobs, within their brands. The LinkedIn bio is a necessary evil. In this parody, they have made 3 of them. This is the first one, is where they have actors say out loud what people are writing about themselves. Let's have a look.
I invented the 2-hour lunch break.
In this world, we're paid in 2 coins. 1 cash, 1 experience.
I don't believe in boundaries.
I don't go with the flow. That's for fish.
I don't call meetings meetings, they're doings.
I still retain all my original parts.
I'm not some fatty fudge.
I'm a part-time bikini model.
Yeah, ignore the profile pic.
I'm inspired by the ocean.
I love the chaotic nature of technology.
It becomes quite different if you are reading out what people are saying. And they have part 2. Let's have a short look.
I'm not going to tell you anything about me. My CV speaks volumes.
It is extremely fucking cool to be seen to know me.
Instead of talking about myself, I want to talk about you.
I pulled my finger out my arse and really fought for my recovery and to make something of my life.
Do you have 15 years experience in corporate banking?
I've been fortunate enough to dabble in several different industries.
And today, I'm an international networker.
I'm an animal welfare consultant.
I'm a massage consultant.
So, beautiful way of demonstrating how you shouldn't do your LinkedIn profile. These are based on real-life profiles, and you can even find them here. So what do we have already? We have our video business card. That might be something we could use on LinkedIn.